Welcome to Siplink Communications. Siplink Communications utilizes the most excellent up-to-date technologies to meet customer requirements for excellence voice termination. Our network is supported by a global network communications routing equipment, operate real-time IP excellence monitoring to select the best quality route for every call, ensuring the high quality of our service. We construct on the efficiency of our direct IP routes, certain for their steadiness, rate, and voice excellence, increment them with select providers to enlarge code exposure and improve stability. Welcome to Siplink Cloud PBX. Siplink Cloud PBX provides web portal for administrators and users. Administrators can able to manage his company on that portal. Once you have entered the username and password on portal, you will directed to our Cloud PBX home page. Chat option provides the users can able to send and receive messages internally. We can able to create unlimited users and extensions. The administrator login provides you to map the DID numbers for the particular user. From our portal we can change the DID numbers for the extensions what we need. An auto attendant is a menu system that uses voice prompts to help callers navigate to the correct department. This type of VoIP phone system feature completely sidesteps the need for a human receptionist or answering service. Call queues are important for businesses with a large inbound call volume. VoIP makes it possible to manage these calls in an efficient and organized way. A call or ring group feature allows a business to have their incoming calls redirected to different destinations that are included in that call group, where a member of the group will able to answer. In other words, call groups allow for grouping a number of extensions together to share the receipt of an incoming call. Siplink Cloud PBX provides call directory reports as well as call recordings also. The users can able to do the internal audio and video calling, chats, then able to send recorded audio and video, location. Voicemail to email is a business phone system feature that records a voicemail as an audio file, commonly .mpg or .wav format, and sends it to an email address. The recipient is then able to download the file right from their email and play it using a media player on their smartphone or PC. Voicemail to email is a popular offering among hosted VoIP and cloud phone system providers. This powerful feature allows users to route their phone calls through a set of numbers, one after the other, into the call is finally answered or reaches voicemail. Some solutions might even allow the option to ring all the numbers on your list simultaneously, which is an even more efficient way of handling incoming calls.